How to fix Discord not opening on startup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Discord is not opening on startup. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R, or you can just click right here. And here you're just going to search for percent local app data and percent, hit enter. It will open up this folder on your device. Now, since it is already arranged in alphabetical order, you just have to find Discord and to search for Discord, type in D and then you'll find Discord here. Open this folder up. Now you're just going to have to open up the folder right here and find discord.exe. And once you find it, right click on it, head over to its properties, and another window will pop up right now. Then you just want to head over to compatibility and make sure that you run this as administrator. Now you're not going to have to click OK right away because first you're going to have to click on apply and then OK. I'm not going to do that right now because my Discord is perfectly fine. So once you have done that, the next step is to actually go back to your app data. So click on here and then click on app data like this. Now from here, head over to local and then find Discord again. So once you've done that, you're going to open up your roaming folder. So head over to app data and then open up roaming. Now, if you find your Discord folder here, what you're going to do is delete this entire folder or the cache folder. So this will give your app a quick refresh. And after doing this, this is the most important step. You're going to have to open up your task manager. So right click on your taskbar and then open up your task manager. Once task manager is open, head over to startup apps. And here, if you want your Discord to open on your laptops or computer startup, then you're going to have to find Discord here first, discord.exe, and then simply go ahead and enable its startup. So go ahead and right click on it and click on enable, and then you should be good to go. So every time you open up your laptop, your Discord will start running. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.